I'm using Candy Shop Premier 100% acrylic. It's a 4-weight yarn. I do a slip knot. And then I do a single crochet foundation chain. I have some scrap fabric that I have sewn by hand into one long piece that I'm going to use for the backing. I take the shortest end of the backing. I use that as my guide when I make my foundation chain. It's long enough. I like a little bit of stretch. I turn my work and I do a stacked single crochet. No turning chain. I do single crochets for the rest of the row, and I continue to turn my work with a stacked single crochet and complete the piece with single crochets. I color control the work so that it looks even. I want to make a marled edging, so I put this on a paper towel holder. The skein at the bottom, I'm pulling from the outside. The skein at the top, I'm pulling from the middle. This allows the skein at the bottom to go around and wrap the skein at the top. This gives you the marled look that was in the other ball of yarn. My setup is ready. I've done most of the work. As you see, the edging is looking marled and twisted. I did single crochets going around and around. The corners were easy. They were just one single crochet, one chain, and one single crochet. And everywhere else was a single crochet. And I did this until I had the size that I wanted to match the backing, with a little bit of edge so that I could fold the fabric in. You can do this with any type of yarn. You can make your own marled yarns. It's nice to do this with scrap yarns. I'm going to do what is known as a finger press. This is a cotton fabric, and it has a nice pattern on it that I can follow easily without having to measure it. And finger pressing is just using your fingernails, really. Just cause a crease, so it'll stay put while you sew. I sew onto the fabric using just a polyester cotton blend thread. And I go into the back loop only. Sometimes I go into the part where it's kind of joined, that edge, where the V's kind of come to a point. But I try to keep it on the back loop only, so that the edge has a clean look when you're finished. I've finished sewing all 3 sides and I have one side left. I'm going to cut all the sharp sealed edges of the packing bubble mailers. Tape them with packing tape so that they fit the size of your project, and then I slide them in. I used 2 layers of bubble mailers. Then I sew up the end that was open. I may open up one of the short ends and put Velcro dots to hold the bubble mailer in, and then I can take it out later when I want to wash the cover. But for now, I'm just going to sew it all up so that I can give it to my cats. I fold the fabric under the bubble mailer edge, but I try not to put my needle through the actual bubble mailer plastic. It doesn't hurt anything, but it will make it harder later if I wanted to take it out to wash the fabric cover. I adjust and I make sure that everything is nice and neat every now and then, just to make sure. Thank you for watching Crochet Your Way Today.